Happy Sunday, traders. So last week I took a trade on Tesla and S&P 500 and banked about £7,000. Only took a day's time, and a lot of people come into very surprised, how can you bank 7,000 in a day? First and foremost, my trading method is using spread trading, so or something similar to CFD trading, contract for difference. It's quite risky. It involved leverage, so I borrowed 20 times of my trading amount on Tesla. I think 100 times more on the S&P 500 future contracts. So my contract, I think, probably easily over £800,000. So that's why when the price move a little bit, I'd be able to capitalize 7,000. Sounds risky, doesn't it? However, I've been doing this for several years. When it comes to trading, being patient and discipline is the most important things. Trading system only takes 20%. Without the right mindset, you will never succeed in this game, okay? So in today, I'm happy to share how I took the trade in terms of the systematic way. However, the mindset does take a lot of time to develop. However, we have a very supportive community to support traders. Either you are beginning, or you are intermediate, or you're advanced. We'd love to have you into our community, because trading can be quite lonely, but having a community behind you could, walk together on this journey. So let me get right into the chart and show you how I took the trade. Thank you. Okay, so that's the Tesla chart that we're looking at. All right, so on Tuesday, you can see the last Friday we already had a low test bar, and then came up a bit. Monday ranged down, and then Tuesday made a double bottom. So that's already caused my attention in that we have actually a double top here, and then now we have a daily downtrend now. So I know that I am trading a daily downtrend, so it's a reversal trade. I don't do an awful lot of reversal trade, but when it comes to stocks or stock indices, I don't mind doing that. However, I need to see there is momentum, there is volume, add up on that. So price action is okay. We're sitting on a soft level double bottom formation. Okay, that's one of the factor. Second factor is if I play just slowly. Boom. So Tuesday, we saw another buying day. That's excellent. When that happened, I would be more anticipating to go to buy Tesla. So what I done is I draw a level on that, which is around 281. Then I dropped down on Thursday when I was doing the webinar. Let me just find the Thursday trade, 1 second. Yep, here we go. When it had come back, when it opened, here we go. That's the price. It gapped lower, and I said around this 281 area. You see it made a double bottom. Let me just get my pen. Boom, through here. It made a double bottom. Bam, bam, boom. That's it. 20 minutes I took the trade. I close up 70% in here, which is 1,400. It's already a 2-to-1, so bang. And then the next one, what I've done is I just let it run to, I think it took profit on Friday, another 1,600, something like that. So in total profit I have banged. Let's just play that video. You see, boom. So that was my take profit. I think when it first opened on a Friday, you can see nice volume, gap higher, bang. And then I think my profit was just there, set and forget. So a 3-to-1. My bet was, my risk was 1K, but actually it's 20,000 because it's 20 time leverage, I think, on stock. So yeah, so from this, in a day of work, this is £3,000 bank on that. I did something similar on at the S&P 500. It's just a reversal trade, and I use a daily pivot to get in the limit order and a stop loss on the swing low. That trade is still running. If you don't know how to trade that momentum system, I have done the previous video before. I'll drop the link in this YouTube video. You can go back and see how I trade momentum trading on stock indices. I hope you guys have learned something, but if you do have any question or would like to join our supportive trading community, just drop me a comment. Otherwise, happy trading, healthy investing. Thank you.